Keep going, Moo. Tristan, stop. Perfect.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to get a lope out of that one, Brandy.
Keep going, babe. Just keep him going. See if you can go toward Mom.
Where is Grandma?
I don't know. They're in the weeds. Just keep going, babe. Okay, come back, honey.
Ah, that's my dirt.
Keep going, keep going. Okay, tell him whoa.
Mom, are we gonna do a river video?
Keep going. Can you make him low? Are you really gonna stand on him? I'm gonna laugh if you fall off. Nice. Can you back him and stuff?
Oh, I bet when you're on this one, your feet scrape the ground.
I ain't come back.
That's fine, that's fine. Are you really gonna go under him? He's looking at you like, what? Pick up his feet. Back one. Okay, get back on him. Can you swing on him? Yes, just a minute.
It's gonna be dark.
Okay, honey, come back.
All right, head out that way. Kristen, you need to move. We're doing a video. Oh, just go this way, honey, and then turn around and go through whatever.
Tell him whoa.
Oh.
Easy. Keep video and I can edit, honey.
Fuck, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I'm gonna pour some water on you? No. Put it running down the back of my neck. Yeah?
Okay, let's head for the river, babe.
I'm already stood up on this one.
Stand up on your mule. Tell her whoa. There you go. Now
Whoa!
go. Say whoa, honey. Gavin, come over this way so I can get your boat.
Say whoa, sexy mama.
Whoa! Whoa.
All right, stand up, Gavin.
I'm not doing
It's
it.
fine. Did you get him good, Zach?
Yeah,
Okay, go to the bottom. Move up, Gavin, in case that mule comes running out of there. You taking steals?
yeah.
I'm still videoing.
Goddamn little ass fucker. fucking stirrups. I lose my fucking stirrups every time.
Okay, get some good pictures of
That's
him
what
in
I'm
here.
trying to do.
You know, Paul, I never knew that stirrups had sex.
He's all sorts of nervous now. Whoa!
That's cool. I got him pawing.
You got good pictures?
I'm getting them still.
Okay.
I'm still videoing.
Oh, okay. I think we should go on the other side, babe. What? You'll have to bring him in again.
Goddamn rubber bands on my freaking foot. Where's the goddamn stirrup?
Hey!
You think it's fucking funny I'm missing half my foot, Jay?
No, 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 no.
That one stays in. That one won't.
Hey, Paul,
Maybe he won't jump this time.
you might be better off taking your feet out and just sucking them around him.
What, now you're scared to go out?
Oh yeah, if they're scared to go in, they'll be scared to go out. Watch out, Zach.
Are you?